Okay, good morning, grade 8. We are going to continue making the equation of the line. This time we are going to have the point slope form. So there must be a point and there must be a slope. But before that, I would like to have John chapter 20, verses 30 and 31 says here, Jesus did many other miraculous signs in the presence of his disciples, which are not recorded in this book. But these are written that you may believe that Jesus is the Christ, the Son of God, and that by believing you may have life in his name. God bless. So point slope form. So in here you are to have a point and a slope. So for the formula for the point slope form, you may use again uh, slope m is equal to y minus y sub 1 over x minus x sub 1, or you may have y minus y sub 1 will be equal to m times the quantity x minus x sub 1. I advise you that if your slope is fraction, you may use this formula. And if your slope is in whole number, meaning to say that your denominator is 1, you may use that formula. So shall we have an example here? So given point 1 is with this coordinates of negative 1, negative 1, and the slope of that line is 2. So shall we make the equation? So we are going to use that formula here. So that y minus, take note, negative, negative, so it will be plus 1 will be equal to the slope of 2 times x minus minus 1 is also plus 1. Okay, we just simplify. That will become 2x plus 2. And then rearrange it. We are going to transpose 2x to the left side. It will be negative 2x plus y equals, you transpose positive 1 here, that will become 2 minus 1 is 1. But be sure that the first term is in positive, so multiply this by negative 1. So it will become 2x minus y will be equals to negative 1. This is now the equation of the line. Okay, now we also include plotting the line and the coordinate system. So for the meantime, shall we use this as your y-axis, and shall we use this as your x-axis here. So here is your 0, 0. In plotting, first you are going to have the point, which is negative 1, negative 1. So locate that, that will be negative 1 and negative 1. This is the point. After that, use the slope. The slope 2 is, that is 2 over 1. So meaning to say, change in y, change in x. So from the point, use the slope. So there is 2 for the rise, 1, 2, and to the right for 1 here. So this will establish as your second point. After that, you connect the 2 points so that you can make a line. Yan, you may extend the line. So this is the line with an equation of 2x minus y equals negative 1. So that's it. So shall we have another example? This time the slope is negative 1. The slope is negative 1 half, I mean. And a point with the coordinates of 1, 3. So shall we just have a simple problem? So this time your slope is in fraction. You can use this formula here. So substitute immediately, and also so that you will be easier in the manipulation, you can put the negative in the denominator, so it will be like this. So 1 over negative 2 will be equal to y minus 3, and then x minus 1. Okay, so cross multiply. So you multiply 1 times x is x, 1 times negative 1 is negative 1, equated here. Negative 2 times y is negative 2y, and then negative 2 times negative 3 is positive 6. So make the equation standard. So it will be x here, transpose negative 2y, it will be positive 2y, and then transpose negative 1 to the right side, plus 6, that will be 7. So therefore, the equation of the line is x plus 2y equals 7. So we are going also to graph the line. Again, we start with the point. The point is 1, 3. So locate 1, 3. So it will be here 0, 0, 1. 1, 2, 3. So this is your point there. And from there, use the slope negative 1 half. So meaning to say negative 1 is you go down 1 unit, and to the right 1, 2. So that will be your second point. So again, you are going to connect the 2 points to make a line. So this is the line. I am putting arrow here, meaning to say that you can extend the line indefinitely. So that is the line, and these are the equations. So that is how to make equation of the line with point and slope. Okay, good morning. Thank you.